Once there was a man who had many parrots. He loved his parrots very much. He fed them a variety of food. One day the man bought a new beautiful bird from market. When the parrots saw that beautiful bird, they were full of envy. As a result, all the parrots hatched a plan to kill the bird. When the parrot attacked the bird, the man watched. He saved the bird from them. The man left the parrots in the forest because of their rude behavior. Moral of the story is, sometimes being jealous of others hurts yourself.